Namaste everyone, welcome again. Now let us see few more formulas. Before that, I will once again revise the formula what we have done in our last class. So I will start with cos of x plus y. This is our first formula, cos of x plus y. This is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Now here I am going to discuss multiple and submultiple angle formulas. Okay, so first I am going to discuss all the formulas related with cos. So here cos x plus y, we have cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and cos of x minus y, we have cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. Okay. Now I want to find formula for cos 2x. So for cos 2x, what we do? We replace y with x. So here cos of 2x, we replace this y with x, and I will get cos of x into cos of x, that is cos square x, minus sin x into sin x, that is sin square x. So we have cos square x minus sin square x. So now this is one more formula. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Now this cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. This is trigonometric identity. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x, you will get 1 minus 2 sin square x. So cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is again one new formula. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, and cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now this 2 sin square x, here again if I replace this sin square x with 1 minus cos square x, what I will get? I will get 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square x. So that will give me 2 cos square x. This is positive term, so I will write first. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay. So cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 also. So now we have seen three formulas for cos 2x. That is cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and 2 cos square x minus 1. Now, so means when I have to find cos of 120 degree, so using 60 degree I can find the value of cos 120 degree. So this is multiple angle formula, I will say, right? I can find the trigonometric ratios for double the angle if I know values for the angle. Okay. Now let us discuss this cos 2x formula once again. This is cos square x minus sin square x. Now what I will do here, I want to express this in terms of tan. So to express in terms of tan, I have to divide, this is my numerator part, I have to divide this numerator and denominator by cos square x. So this numerator I will divide by cos square x. So here my denominator is 1. This numerator I will divide by cos square x, and this denominator I will divide by cos square x. So this cos 2x I will have, this is equals to cos square x upon cos square x, minus I have sin square x upon cos square x whole divided by, here I have 1 upon cos square x. So this cos square upon cos square, it is 1. So this is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 upon cos square x is what? Sec square x. And this sec square x you can write using identity as 1 plus tan square x. So you have 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. This is the value for cos 2x. So now you have 4 formulas for cos 2x. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now let us discuss for sin 2x. Or before discussing for sin 2x, let us understand, we have seen one formula as cos 2x as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. So if I rearrange this formula, I will get 2 sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x. Therefore, sin square x as 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. Therefore, sin x as square root of 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. Now this formula is called submultiple angle formula. Why submultiple angle formula? If I know the value for cos 2x, I can find sin x. Means if I know, like for 60 degree I know something, I can find for 30 degree. Okay, you can verify it. You can take x as 30 degree. So 1 minus cos 60 degree upon 2, you find its value, take its square root, positive square root. The same you will get for sin 30 degree. Okay. So this is submultiple formula. So as we have sin square x, similarly you can find cos square x. The cos square x value will be 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2. Okay. Now let us see what is sin 2x. So for sin 2x, we will see the formula for sin a plus b or sin x plus y. So let us discuss what is sin x plus y. What is sin x plus y? Yes, do you remember what is sin x plus y? This is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. This is sin x plus y. Now when I replace y with x, I have sin 2x. And the value of sin 2x will become sin x into cos x plus cos x into sin x. That means I will get 2 times sin x into cos x. Okay. This is the formula for sin 2x. So the formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. The formula for cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Now if I want to find tan 2x, so tan 2x, we can say that yes sir, it is sin 2x upon cos 2x. So let us write the expression for sin 2x, which is 2 sin x into cos x divided by cos 2x. You can write cos square x minus sin square x. Now I want the formula for tan 2x in terms of tan only. So for getting the expression in terms of tan only, what we do? We divide this numerator and denominator by cos square x. So I will say that this is equals to 2 sin x into cos x. This I will divide by cos square x, and this denominator, which is cos square x minus sin square x. I will divide this also with cos square x. So in numerator I have this 1 cos cancel, so I have 2 tan x, and in denominator I have 1 minus tan square x. This cos square x upon cos square x is 1 minus sin square x upon cos square x is tan square x. So 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x is the formula for tan 2x. So tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So let us summarize what we have done. We have find out the value of sin 2x as 2 sin x into cos x. We have find the value of cos 2x as cos square x minus sin square x. One more formula, 1 minus 2 sin square x. One more formula, 2 cos square x minus 1, and finally 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now this sin 2x, that is 2 sin x cos x, this can also be expressed in terms of tan. Okay, you can here also divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So when you do that, okay, so you will get here, you will get 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, so I leave this derivation, okay, for you to solve. Find the value of sin 2x in terms of tan. Sin 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x, and cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, so this is double angle formula. Now let us discuss triple angle formula, that is, let us find the value of sin 3x. Now the value of sin 3x, for this what I can say that, I can say that this is sin 2x plus x, and let us use sin a plus b formula, which is sin a cos b, that is sin 2x into cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So let us write this as 2 sin x into cos x into, we have cos x, plus this cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x into, I will say that, into sin x. Now here this is 2 sin x and this is cos square x. So this cos square x I can write as 1 minus sin square x. Why I am doing this? Because we want to find the formula for sin 3x, so it should be in terms of sin. Plus here also this cos square x minus sin square x, this can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. So everything is in terms of sin. 2 sin square x into this is sin x. So now I will open the bracket. This is 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So this 2 sin x plus sin x, it will become 3 sin x minus this is 4 sin cube x. So this is the expression for sin 3x. Simple. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. In the same way, we can find the value for cos 3x. Cos 3x is cos 2x plus x, right? So you can expand here. Cos a plus b is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Now this cos 3x I want to express in terms of cos only. So this cos 2x I will write as 2 cos square x minus 1 into, here I have cos x, minus this sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x into I have sin x. So here I can open the bracket. This is 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2, this sin x into sin x is sin square x, I can write this as 1 minus cos square x into cos x. So this is 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus this is 2 cos x and minus minus plus 2 cos cube x. So here the positive term we are getting as 4 cos cube x, positive term you are getting as 4 cos cube x minus cos x into minus cos 2x, you will get minus 3 cos x. So 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, this is expression for cos 3x. Okay. Now, let us see what is tan 3x. So we have got the expression for sin 3x and cos 3x. Let us understand it for tan 3x. So for tan 3x, we will say that tan 3x is sin 3x upon cos 3x. This is sin 3x upon cos 3x. Now the value for sin 3x, we have seen that it is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, and for cos 3x we have seen this is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now I want this tan 3x in terms of tan. This tan 3x I want in terms of tan. So for that what we should do? We should divide this numerator and the denominator by cos cube x. Okay. So let us divide this numerator and denominator by cos cube x. So here in numerator you will get 3 sin x upon cos cube x minus 4 times sin cube x upon cos cube x whole divided by, here you have 4 cos cube x upon cos cube x minus 2 cos x upon cos cube x. Okay, always divide the highest power of cos. Now in numerator you have 3, sin upon cos is tan, so 3 tan x. So 1 cos is used for tan and then cos square x, 1 upon cos square x you can write as sec square x. So 3 tan x into sec square x minus 4, okay, sin cube x upon cos cube x is tan cube x, so 4 tan cube x divided by, here it is 4 minus 2 sec square x, right? 1 cos term cancel, so 4 minus 2 sec square x. Now this sec square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x, so numerator is 3 tan x into 1 plus tan square x minus 4 tan cube x whole divided by 4 minus 2. Now this sec square x I will write 1 plus tan square x. So finally this is equal to 3 tan x plus 3 tan cube x minus 4 tan cube x divided by 4 minus 2 minus 2 tan square x. So 3 tan x, this is equals to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 2 minus 2 tan square x. So tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 2 minus 2 tan square x. I feel that some mistake I am doing. Let us check where I am doing the mistake. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, this is okay. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, yes, I got it. This is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So I have written 2. So this should be 3. So I will replace this with 3. So here also it will be 3 sec square x, not 2. This is 3 sec square x. Therefore this is 3 tan square x. So this is 4 minus 3. This is 4 minus 3 minus 3. So here you have 4 minus 3 as 1. So your formula will be 4 minus 3 is 1 minus 3 tan square x. This is the formula for tan 3x. You could also have derived this tan 3x by using tan 2x plus x. You know the formula for tan 2x. You can use that formula and find out the value of tan 3x. Now you have got the values of tan 2x, tan 3x. Can you get the value of cot 2x, cot 3x also using the formula for tan 2x, tan 3x? Yes, you can do that. What you have to do? You have to replace tan with 1 upon cot. Okay, once you do that, you can get formula for cot also. So I left that part as an exercise for you to solve. Okay, now I will discuss two more very important formulas. So here we have seen what is the value of sin 2x, cos 2x, sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 2x, tan 3x. Now let us discuss a few more formulas. For that, first I will consider sin formulas. So we have seen that the value of sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and formula for sin x minus y as sin x cos y minus cos x into sin y. When you add these two formulas, what you will get? So when we add 1 and 2, we will get this part cancel and we will get this part added 2 times. So we will get or I will say that by adding 1 and 2, you will get 2 times sin of x cos of x, 2 times sin x cos y cos x, 2 times sin x cos y, this is cos y. Okay, formula I am doing some mistake. This is sin x cos y. So sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So when I add, I will get 2 times sin x cos y as sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. When I add, I get 2 times sin x cos y as sin x plus y sin x minus y. And when I subtract, by subtracting 2 from 1, okay, when I subtract 2 from 1, I have, this part will cancel and I have 2 times cos x sin y. So 2 times cos x into sin y. This is equals to sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. So when we have 2 sin x cos y, it is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. When I have 2 cos x sin y, it is sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. So when sin is first, we have plus sign. When cos is first, we have minus sign. Okay. So these two formulas are very useful when you have product of sin and cos and you want to find their values. So 2 sin x cos y is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, and 2 of cos x cos y as sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Now let us express this, let us replace this x plus y with some term, say c, and x minus y with d. So x plus y, if I replace with c, and x minus y if I replace with d, then if I add them, we have the value of 2x as c plus d. That gives me the value of x as c plus d by 2, and similarly the value of y I will get c minus d by 2. Okay. So therefore x is c plus d by 2 and y is c minus d by 2. So from this formula we can say that 2 times sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2 is equals to sin of c plus sin of d. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is called factorization formula, and similarly 2 times cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. This I will have sin c minus sin d. So sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2, and sin c plus sin d is equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. So all these things are getting very much confused. Okay. So again and again you have to derive them, you have to write them. Okay. And when you solve the problems, you will have more confidence in these formulas. Okay. So we have seen that related with sin and cos, now we have multiple formula, submultiple formula, we have factorization formula, we have defactorization formula. Okay. Factorization means we can convert them in factors. So this sin c plus sin d, sin c plus sin d, you can convert them in factor as 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This you will say that is a factorization formula. Similarly sin c minus sin d, you can write 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. This is factorization formula, and for defactorization formula means already it is in factor form, we are removing that factor form. So for that we have formula of 2 sin x into cos y as sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, and 2 of cos x into sin y, we have sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. For cos also you will find factorization and defactorization formula in the similar manner. So for cos we have two formulas. Now here it is better that I will write formula for cos x minus y first. This is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Why I am writing first? Because here I will get plus sign, and similarly cos of x plus y, we have seen that this is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So if I add them, I will get 2 times cos x into cos y, 2 times cos x into cos y, I will get cos of x minus y plus cos of x plus y. Similarly 2 times sin x into sin y, I will get cos of x minus y minus cos of x plus y. Okay, and as I replaced with x plus y with c, x minus y with d, so I can say that cos of d minus cos of c, I will get 2 times cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, and sin of d minus sin of c. I have 2 times sin x. So what I have done? Cos of x minus y. Okay, cos of c minus cos of d minus cos of c. This is cos d. First we find cos d plus cos c. This is plus, and cos d minus cos c. For minus sign we have 2 times sin of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. Okay, in your textbook you will see these formulas. For this cos, a little rearrangement was there. Okay, they have tried to find out cos of c minus cos of d. So as cos of d minus cos of c, you are getting this. What will be the value of cos c minus cos d? For cos c plus cos d there will be no change, but for cos c minus cos d, here you will get minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, so in last 2 lectures, this lecture and lecture before this, what we have discussed, there we have seen too many formulas. Okay, and all the formulas are very important. Okay, very important. If you remember these formulas, then your life is easy for 12th also. Okay, so be patient. Okay, do hard work, learn all these formulas, and the best way to learn all these formulas is to write in your notebook. Okay, derive yourself, and if you are able to teach these formulas to your friends, then definitely you will learn all these formulas. So thank you for being with me in this class. In next lecture, what we do, we will solve problems using these formulas. Thank you again.